Every time you listen to this meditation, they will dream of you and text you instantly. They will dream about you day or night. Thoughts of you will not be able to get out of their mind. So slide into their dreams and see how fast they text you. After listening to this, nothing will stop them from being with you forever. Now let's begin. It's natural for them to call out my name in their sleep now. They text and call me all the time now. I enter their dreams very easily now. Every time I breathe, I get a text from them. I am always in their dreams now. Every time I think of them, they think about me. They are calling my name in their sleep tonight. Every time I blink, they text me. It's natural for them to dream about me obsessively now. They are so in love with me. They only dream good and cute things about me now. I get texts from them all the time. I am their dream person now. They love spending time with me. It's their greatest delight to dream about me now. They are attracted to me in ways they can't even explain. It's their greatest satisfaction in life to dream about me tonight. They keep complimenting me all the time. They enjoy dreaming about me every night now. They see me as their partner for life. They have dreams only about me 7 days in a row. They shower me with love and affection. Their most beautiful dreams are about me now. Our chemistry is insane. They are waiting for me in their dreams now. I am the only person they love. They are dreaming about me every time I breathe now. They know that nobody compares to me. They are dreaming about me in this moment. They can't get enough of me. They are dreaming about me every time I blink now. We are best friends and lovers. They are dreaming about me every time I speak now. I am the love of their life. They are dreaming about me every second that passes away now. The moment they saw me, they knew and they felt that I was the love of their life. I am always on their mind now. I found a place in their heart forever. I am 24/7 on their mind now. They want to spend the rest of their days loving me. I am fully convinced that I occupy all of their mind now. I am the one thing that makes sense in their life and they know it. They pray to the universe to dream about me tonight. They thank the universe that they are alive to spend their lifetime with me. When they dream of me, their feelings for me go up 100% now. From the day I have walked in their life, I am all they think about. They text me every time they dream of me. Their love for me grows stronger every day. I am 100% sure that in this moment they are missing me desperately. I am the reason why they breathe. I am fully convinced that they are super happy to dream about me now. I am the stars in their sky. I am the one they think of all the time now. They love me with all of their heart. They are thinking about me constantly now. Their life has been better since the day they found me. They are thinking about me obsessively now. They want to grow old with me. They go crazy thinking about me. They choose me every single day. I am their main focus in their mind now. Their love for me is eternal. We are constantly connected to each other. They declare their love for me every day. They think of me daily and nightly. I am their everything. They love dreaming about me. I am their life. They love being with me right now. I am their love. I am always in their thoughts. I am their heart. I am with them in slumber right now. I make them fall in love with me more and more every day. I am the only one they dream about now. I am their sunshine. They want to be in constant contact with me now. I am their favorite. I am their happy place. I live in their mind. Their days are better when I am a part of it. I give them a reason to live. They are spending the rest of their life loving me. It is already done. Type, they text me every time they dream of me to affirm this meditation. If you need help making them obsessed with you and getting them to do anything that you desire, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really simple. By just clicking the box on the left, and I will manifest anything you desire.